In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove and install the wiring harness on an Intuition fryer. Start by removing the side panel to expose wiring harness. Then, drop down the controller and lock it into position. Confirm the new harness matches the current harness. Begin clipping the zip ties, holding the harness in place. Starting from the back, begin disconnecting the old harness. As you unplug the old harness, connect the new harness. The harness should now be close to the controller. Carefully feed the harness through the zip tie in the back of the controller. Remove one connection at a time, then plug in the matching connector from the new harness. Make sure to double-check each probe is connected to the correct location on the harness. Each probe has the same connector. Once all connections have been made, remove the old harness. Once the new harness has been routed and connected, secure it with zip ties.